Hello, this is Bari. Welcome to this video. In today's video, I will share a website that pays you to your PayPal $100 a day to $1,000 a day, and you don't need your own website, you don't need skill, you don't need investment to start making money from today. And this website has over 2.8 million monthly visitors. So not only I will show you how to make money using this website, but also I will show you how to get traffic like this website. I will show you how this website makes money, and I will share one of our premium softwares that will help you start making money just like them. So not only you will learn how to start making money using the website, but also you will learn how to build a solid, reliable business online just like them. By the way, all the links are in the description. Did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be notified when we will upload our next video. Basically, this website pays you for testing applications and websites, and they pay you to your PayPal. And this process is very easy and very simple even for a beginner. We will show you step by step how to do it, and they have an awesome system in place that they train their beginner users so everyone can use them without any experience. So without further ado, let's go jump in.
Now we are on usertesting.com. First, go and check all the menus and make sure you clearly understand how they run their business. Try to understand how they make money. That will help you gain confidence about the company and know clearly that they will pay you when you work for them. Here are the list of some of the reputed brands that use user testing for testing their apps and websites, etc. And here is how it works. They show you the steps of how they work. One very important thing I always recommend is to check their FAQs, because most of the questions that you want to ask have probably been asked by other users, and the answers are already there. Now we are here to learn how to get paid for testing. So on the top of the website, click the link Get Paid to Test, and you will be taken to this page where it says get paid to share your perspective with global brands. Earn a little extra money in your spare time by helping brands build better products and experience for people around the world. All you have to do is to share your email address and click the Get Started button. And they clearly mention how it works. The simple steps: apply, browse, text, and make money. That's it. They also mention how much money you can make: $4 for every 5 minutes test, $10 for every 20 minutes test, and between $30 to $120 USD for live interviews. Not bad at all. Here are some of their achieved numbers, like 2,100 customers around the world, 40 plus countries represented by our contributors, 1.4 million tests taken. You can get another set of FAQs. Always read the FAQs before you start, and keep checking from time to time, because whenever they change their policies or they add any answer to any question, they will add it here. Here is an important question that you should clearly know the answer of. How do I get paid? We pay contributors via PayPal. You must have a PayPal account and live in a country that can receive PayPal money transfers. You will receive your payment via PayPal 7 days after completing your website or app test. This waiting period allows us to ensure the quality of all recordings. I like this process very much because this makes them legit and reliable for everyone. After you sign up with your email address, you will be taken to this page and they will ask you to verify your email address. For that, you have to go to your email and click to a link or follow instructions to make sure your email is valid. Then after verification, you will be taken to this page. Watch this video, and this is a test example. You can skip it. I recommend watch it. Now take a practice test. The final tests will be exactly or very closely similar to this. Watch the video for clear instructions and then click the start your test blue button. You will be taken to this page. Let's get started. And make sure you read the instructions before you click any other buttons. It says to enable your browser to record, you need to share access to your screen and microphone. You will stop sharing once you have finished giving feedback. So whenever you are ready, click that share access button. The next step will ask you which part of your screen can be recorded. You can choose entire screen, window, or Microsoft Edge tab. I prefer, while taking a test, remove or close all other applications and browsers and tabs and keep only the useful windows open and share the entire screen. Then you have to verify your screen. Make sure you're sharing the correct screen and that you can see the entire browser window, including the user testing window. And then you have to check your microphone. Just please say, I am ready to think out loud, or whatever is written there. Once your sound is clean and crispy, they will show you that it's fine, and click next and keep 2 tabs open. Follow the instruction. And once you are done, click the blue next button. And this is just the completion of the setup. Now you can start taking test. Now, scenario 1, this would be the beginning of the test. So they will basically try to understand your communication ability, how you can think out loud. So when you are given a task, read it clearly and read out loud or follow the instructions. And once you are done, click the blue button next. Then you will be taken to task number 2. And once you are done, click the next button. Then task number 3, that is a multiple choice question. You might have to open the site if there is a link and there is an instruction to open the site, or follow whatever the instruction is and click next. Any final thoughts? Just read out loud as per the instructions and click stop recording. The task number 5, asking for an answer, that you have to write the answer on the text box. Just write the answer, and once you are done, click the finish button and your test is being uploaded. This is exactly how to take tests on user testing website. And once a test is done and they verify your test, you get paid. Super simple. Alright, I will tell you how usertesting.com gets traffic, and I will share one of my premium software so you can get traffic as well. We are on similarweb.com and we are looking at the traffic analytics, and they have over 2.87 million monthly visitors. This is super awesome, right? Now look at this. 70% of the traffic already know about them, and they are the direct traffic. They go directly to usertesting.com. And if you look at the search terms, a lot of people definitely already know about user testing, and they simply search on Google and of course on YouTube, and from there they learn about this website and they go to this website. And this is proved when we see that the 57% of the total social traffic comes from YouTube. This is super awesome. Now let's go to YouTube and you'll see user testing keyword is searched approximately over 782,000 times per month, and a lot of YouTubers made content about user testing. Why? Because YouTubers need a topic to create content about, and because user testing is already a hot keyword, a heavily searched keyword, a high traffic keyword, YouTubers make content about it, and usertesting.com gets traffic from YouTube. So if you are looking for traffic, YouTube could be a great source of traffic. I have covered my YouTube traffic source and how we get traffic from YouTube in other videos. I will link some of the videos in the description. Go get them. But the most important thing here is that you need videos to get traffic from YouTube. But video creation is not easy. A lot of people use their face on the camera and you might be allergic to it. You might not know how to write a script. You might hate to give your voiceover. And for that, link in the description, I'm giving you my AI software that will write script for you, that will give you voiceover, and the software will make videos for you and upload to YouTube so you can get traffic from YouTube to your website. Now, if you look at their business model, they have clients who want their
websites and applications to get tested, and they have users or testers who test those products. Now, if you look at this section, get paid to test, the first thing they want from you or from me or from any user is their email addresses, nothing else. Why? Because getting email address and building a list of email contacts is the first step or the most important step to build an online business. Most of the people who want to make money from the internet fail to understand this, and they find list building boring. In case list building is not your best skill, don't worry. I know building opt-in form, building lead magnet, and driving traffic is hard. Link in the description will give you my software that turns any PDF into your opt-in form, into your lead magnet, and will drive referral viral traffic. Go get both of the softwares, use them, start getting traffic from YouTube, build list of subscribers, and make money the way you want. Did you like our video? Hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our future videos, and we will show you in the next video.